Have you ever opened a closet, peeked behind a damp wall, or checked a basement corner and found strange spots, with light gray patches, white powder, or dark fuzzy areas, and you instantly wondered, is this just mildew, or is this dangerous mold? Knowing the difference between both isn't just about cleaning your home. It is also to protect your health, save your property, and prevent expensive restoration bills. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how mold and mildew are different from each other, and why that difference matters for your home's safety. These signs should never be ignored because your home needs protection, and so do you. This video is brought to you by Restorationers.com, the trusted network that connects homeowners and business owners with certified restoration experts, so you never have to face mold or mildew problems alone. Let's begin with what you're seeing. Mildew usually appears as flat, surface-level growth. It's typically white, gray, or light brown, and it looks powdery or slightly fuzzy. You will find it on bathroom walls, windowsills, damp fabrics, and those places where moisture sits but doesn't absorb quickly. Mold, on the other hand, is a different story. It forms deeper, thicker, and more aggressive patches. The molds can be black, they can be green, blue, or even reddish, and unlike mildew, it penetrates porous materials like drywall, wood, carpets, insulation, and ceilings. Mildew stays on the surface, but the mold becomes part of the surface. This is where the danger comes in. Mildew is generally a surface problem. It is annoying, can make the surface slightly smelly, and is a sign of humidity, but it's usually manageable. Mold, however, can spread behind walls, under floors, inside furniture, and through the air. It releases spores that can affect indoor air quality, trigger allergies, irritate your skin, cause persistent coughing, worsen asthma, or create serious risks for children, elderly people, and anyone with a weak immune system. Both grow when moisture is present. That could be from water damage, leaks, floods, poor ventilation, high humidity, or even leaving damp clothes in a closed space. But mold grows faster, spreads deeper, and causes far more damage than mildew. That's why identifying which one you're dealing with is so important. So what should you do when you see something suspicious? If it's a small, flat mildew on a surface like tile or glass, gentle cleaning may work, but only if the moisture problem is fixed. If you see thick, dark patches, notice a strong musty smell, suspect hidden growth, or recently experienced water damage, you should never attempt to clean it alone because the mold removal is complex and unsafe without proper equipment and expertise. And the biggest problem, most mold hides where you can't see it. That's where professionals come in. At Restorationers.com, we connect you with certified mold remediation specialists who know how to identify hidden mold, safely remove it, and restore your home's air quality without risking your family's health. Trying to handle deep mold yourself often leaves hidden growth behind, allowing it to return stronger and more widespread. Prevention always matters. Keep indoor humidity between 30 to 50%. Ventilate bathrooms, kitchens, basements, and laundry rooms. Fix leaks the moment you spot them. Dry wet materials quickly. And if you ever smell something musty or notice discoloration, don't ignore it. Early action saves money, protects your home structure, and keeps your family safer. At the end of the day, mildew may be a mild warning sign, but mold is a threat you cannot afford to overlook. Knowing the difference, acting early, and getting expert help when needed is the smartest way to protect your home. If you need help or want a trusted professional to inspect your home, visit Restorationers.com. Our team will connect you with certified restoration experts who can bring your home back to safety, comfort, and clean air. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your home deserves to be protected, and so do you.